Changing your primary currency on Payoneer can help you manage your funds more effectively. Follow these simple steps to make the change. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Visit the Payoneer website and log in using your account credentials. Ensure you have access to the account you wish to modify. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings where you can manage various preferences. Step 3. Select Currency Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Currency Settings. This section will display your current primary currency and available options for change. Step 4. Choose your new primary currency. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm your changes. After selecting your new primary currency, look for a confirmation button or prompt. Click on it to finalize the change. You may receive a notification confirming the update. By following these steps, you can easily change your primary currency on Payoneer. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Payoneer's customer support for assistance.